I gave you my heart.
Hello everyone, I am Meenakshi and welcome back to the next English grammar session. And today we will discuss about another English writing skill, that is message writing. Alright, so let's know that what is a message. A message is a piece of information, a very small composition that is written in informal way. It's the information that we write to convey a message to a person that is not at present. We can't speak to him directly, speak to her directly, so we need to write the message. For example, if you are not at home and a friend of yours called to you to convey any urgent message, and your mother pick up the phone and she asks about the message, and now it's the time when your mother has to leave the home and she would write the message for you, and when you will come back at home you will read the message and know about that urgent information. Alright, so message writing, let's discuss about its format. Format of message, first of all we need to write the heading. In heading we write message in capital and bold letters and in the center. Alright, this is, we write this to attract the attention of the reader. Alright, then after we need to write the date at the left side, and it should be written in expanded form, and then write the time in the right side. Alright, then after write the salutation. For whom is this message being written? Alright, the name of that person, and this would make the message a polite, it would appear a politeness. Then after write the body. The body is the main part, it contains the whole information, and we should use it with the relevant information, not any extra information. Make it very short and to the point. Alright, and then the name of the writer, the person who is writing this message, who received the message. Alright, and at last enclose the message in a box. It would be better if you put this box, draw this box with the help of a sharp pencil. Alright, so this is the format of message. Let's discuss about some points that we should remember while writing about a message. These are some tips and tricks that we should keep in mind, and we would be able to write a good message. The first one is use of the language. Use a suitable language, a language which would be easily understandable, and avoid using complex vocabularies. Because if it would be for a child, the message would be for a child, then it would create an ineffectiveness. Alright? Then is word limit. Don't exceed the words more than 50. The word limit of message writing is 50. Alright? Keep your message in that limitation. Then is keep your message short and to the point. Keep it short. Only relevant information should be there. Don't use extra information while writing the message. Alright? Whatever information is there, write that one. Alright? Then is plan before you pen. before writing the message, I suggest you that make some notes on the rough page, and it would help you to remember all the relevant points, and as well you will be able to write the message in a proper sequence. And it's very important to write the message in proper sequence. Alright? Then is check grammatical accuracy and spellings. I suggest you to double check the grammatical accuracy and spellings, because it also contains marks. Alright? Then is correct information. Give correct information to the reader, as if you will mislead the reader, the wrong message will be conveyed. Alright? So try to give the correct information. Then is use of indirect or reported speech. While writing the message, use indirect or reported speech. Now let's discuss more about message writing with the help of this example. By solving this question, you will get an idea that how we should attempt this these topics. You can attempt any message writing. And the question is this, read this conversation. First, Soumya says, hello. Manav is saying, hello. That means it's a telephonic conversation. Manav says, hello, this is Manav, Rohan's friend. Is Rohan at home? Soumya answers, sorry, my brother is not at home. Any message for him? Then Manav says, please tell him that our music teacher would be taking an extra class today at 6 p.m. and attendance is compulsory. Then Soumya says, thank you for the information. I will convey the message to Rohan. So this is the conversation between Soumya and Manav. So first you need to assume that who is the messenger, who is giving the message. Manav is giving the message. Who will be the reader? Who will read the message? Rohan will read the message. And who will write the message? Soumya will write the message. So don't get confused in between these names. Alright, let's start writing the message. First of all, we will write the message heading in capital letters, bold letters. Then after, on the left side, write the date. That is 14 May 2020. Write it in expanded form. On the right side, write the time and body of the message. The message, first of all, write the salutation. For whom is this message? It's for Rohan. And who called? Manav called. So we will write in body, Manav called to inform about. Find the message in the conversation. The message is, there would be an extra class at 6 p.m. and the attendance is compulsory. About an extra class of music. Class of music at 6 p.m. today. And another message is, attendance is compulsory. Attendance is compulsory. And at the last, the person's name who is writing this message. And Soumya, we will write here Soumya. Alright? And last, and close the message in a box. Alright, it would be better if you enclose the message with the help of the pencil. So you see that it was very easy to write it, and just need to find the message in the conversation. You don't have need to think about anything else. Just find the message and put it down. So it's like short and interesting and attractive also. So this was all about message writing. If you have any kind of doubt, you may ask in the comment box. Alright? So we will see you in the future. Till then, take care and bye.